Welcome to this Teaching with Tech screencast for the Flip Chromebook. In this screencast, I'm going to go over a web app that is called Chrome Canvas. I want to show you how this works. It's just basically a drawing app that is great to pull up on a Flip Chromebook if you're using a stylus and you want to draw or doodle or create something in front of students, or just to create a drawing, period. So if I go over to a new tab here, to get to Chrome Canvas, you can do this on any device. I'm going to go to the web address canvas.apps.chrome. If you do a Google search for this instead, make sure you search Chrome Canvas. There's other tools out there named Canvas. If you say Chrome Canvas, you should also find it. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that up. When it loads, the first time you go there, it will say get started. It'll take you into a Canvas space. So what's loading right now is this is a Canvas space. The tools are over here on the left side. Very simple app. Again, it's just a drawing app. So you've got your colors you can pick from right here. So you can go to palettes and choose different colors. You can go into custom and you can slide this around on here and actually pick a very specific color. Or if you know hex codes, you can copy paste in a hex code if you're trying to color match something. When you want to use these tools, you just simply tap or use the mouse and click, or trackpad and click on them. When the tool's selected, it sticks out like that. When it's selected, if you tap it a second time, you get these choices to increase the size of the line that tool will do, or the opacity. So if I do the pencil, I'll do it at a low setting here. And let me turn off my laser pointer. So I choose the pencil and I just write normal. If I choose the thicker or higher size, it makes the line thicker. And see that it's pencil, it's kind of got the shadings in there a little bit. You can change the opacity. If you go higher on the pencil, it makes it a little bit darker. If you go lower, that actually makes it invisible. So if I go like this, you can see it's a little bit more see-through. The pen tool is just a straight line, so no chalkiness to it or pencil shaving look to it. Again, you can change the opacity, you can change the marker. The marker is thick as it is, so you can go lower, and the lower will still be a thick line. And chalk just gives you more of a chalk look. The eraser I really like. If you second tap the eraser, you can increase the size and then you can erase. However, if you want to quickly get rid of something you made a quick mistake, rather than switching to the eraser, erase, you could just go up and use the undo button. So if I hit undo up here a few times, it takes me back and all the steps I just did. That drawing that you're creating, if you go over here to the three dots, you can choose to export this. When you hit export, it will open your file manager on the Chromebook. And what's great about this is you can choose to save it right to your downloads. But the better feature is you can save it right into your Google Drive. So if you did a drawing as part of a lesson and you want to save it right to a specific folder in your Google Drive, you can do that. So if I was going to put this in this folder, I could tap into there, click into there, I could name the file and save it as a PNG file that maybe I use as part of another lesson, or I save it as notes that I push out to students. So again, just a very simple tool. When you're in the Canvas, there's no ability to add pages. There's no share button to share this to anyone else. There's no ability to bring images within the Canvas. However, if I go out here to the home, this is where all of the canvases that you create are saved. So they'll just kind of grid out here. This is where you can also start a new drawing. This is where you could, if you had an image, maybe you downloaded from the web, maybe as a math teacher, you found a picture of a building and you wanted to be able to draw over that and show the angles. You could choose new from image, and you would have to already have that picture, but you could choose and bring that in from your downloads or from your Google Drive and then draw over that thing as well. One other little tip, if you want to add this as its own app on the Chromebook, when you're in the Chrome browser, if you go to the Chrome three-dot menu over here, anytime you're in Canvas, and I mean the Chrome browser three dots, not this one that's built into the Canvas window. So if I go to the Chrome three-dot menu, I can choose Install Chrome Canvas, and this installs it as its own app on the device. So now it's down here on the dock. So then you could launch Canvas as its own thing. You don't have to be in the browser. If you anticipate moving around a lot in the browser, maybe you're going to do, maybe you're going to be jumping from tab to tab, I would go to Canvas and add this as a bookmark, because then you could open it quickly from your bookmark bar. So when you get to canvas.apps.chrome, you can hit the star and save this on your bookmark bar if this is an app you plan to use a lot. So again, that's just a quick overview, very simple tool. Share out how you're using that, and thanks for watching.